We will study how to formulate and evaluate herbal shampoo. So the requirements for the practical are, it is required are glass rod, water bath, beaker, and measuring cylinder. Chemicals required are Rita extract, amla extract, then shikakai extract, methyl paraben, gelatin solution, citric acid, and rose oil. So the formula for the formulation of herbal shampoo, so it consists of the ingredients Rita extract, amla, shikakai extract, methyl paraben, gelatin solution, citric acid, and rose oil. So here are the given quantities and the taken quantities. Used as a foaming agent. Then amla extract is to provide nourishment to hair. Shikakai extract is an anti-dandruff. Then methyl paraben is used as a preservative. Gelatin solution is the base of the shampoo. Then citric acid is to adjust the pH of the shampoo. Rose oil, it is used in case of perfume, used as a perfume. For the formulation, so the Rita extract is prepared. So it is prepared by cold maceration method. In that 10 gram of Rita powder is taken and is added with 70% of ethyl alcohol, 30 ml of 70% of ethyl alcohol, and allow to macerate. Then in case of amla extract, 10 gram of amla powder is taken with 50 ml of water and it is allowed to boil. Same case with shikakai extract, 10 gram of shikakai powder is taken and boiled with 50 ml of water. Gelatin solution is prepared by 50 ml of water is added with 1 gram of gelatin powder and it is boiled for 5 minutes. Then we have to mix all the ingredients, that is Rita extract, amla extract, shikakai extract and gelatin solution, and triturate them together. Then after that, at the end, the essence is added, that is rose oil, and methyl paraben is added, and citric acid is used to adjust the pH of the shampoo. So here are the requirements for herbal shampoo preparation, that is citric acid, methyl paraben, gelatin powder, as we require gelatin solution, ethanol, shikakai powder, amla powder and Rita powder. So I have already weighed the quantities, and now we will prepare the extract of shikakai, amla and Rita, and with that we will prepare the gelatin solution. So further we can proceed for the preparation of shampoo. So for preparation of Rita extract, 10 gram of Rita powder is taken. To that we will add 30 ml of ethanol, this is our Rita extract. Now we will prepare the shikakai extract. For that we will add 10 gram of shikakai powder with 50 ml of water, and last extract, that is amla, 10 gram of amla powder and 50 ml of water. So for preparation of extract, we will boil shikakai extract and amla extract, okay, and for Rita extract, cold maceration is there, so we will keep aside for some time this Rita powder with ethanol. And for preparation of gelatin solution, 1 gram of gelatin is taken and we will add this gelatin to boiled 50 ml of water. So as you can see here, the water is boiled. To this we will add 1 gram of gelatin, and we will keep this for boiling for some time so that the gelatin solution will be prepared. So this is shikakai extract and this is amla extract. We will boil this extract. Now we will add this extract in mortar and pestle and we will triturate them properly. Now we will triturate this extract. Now we will filter this. So firstly we will filter this by using sieve. So this is the extract which we have filtered. Okay, to this we have added 1 drop of perfume and preservative, that is methyl paraben solution, and To make up the volume up to 25 ml, now we will add the gelatin solution. And we will mix this properly. So here 25 ml of shampoo is prepared. Now we will fill this in a container. So this is our final shampoo. Okay. Now for physical appearance, that is organoleptic characters. So color, it is brown in color. Okay. And its odor is rose-like, as we have used the rose oil as a perfume. So its odor is rose oil. Now we will check the pH. Then we will perform the solid contained. Okay. So now we will check the pH of the shampoo. Is it 7 or not? Okay. So now we will adjust the pH to 7 by adding the citric acid solution to it. So here we have adjusted the pH to 7 of the shampoo. Now we will perform foaming index, that is evaluation parameter, to determine the foam for shampoo. So now this is our formulation. We will take 5 ml from this to a measuring cylinder. And to this we will add up to 25 ml water. Now we will shake this measuring cylinder. And from this solution, we will pipette out 1 ml in test tube. That is, we have already taken 5 test tube. Okay, and I have marked this test tube over here up till the mark 10 ml. So we will add 1 ml in first test tube, 2 ml in second, and so on, and 5 ml in last test tube, and we will make up the volume up to 10 ml. Okay, and then we will shake the test tube, and then we will measure the foam by using scale in centimeter. Okay, so now we will perform the evaluation. And in last test tube, we will take 5 ml. Now we will shake these test tubes. Now we will add water up to 10 ml. Then we will shake the test tubes. So I have already marked over here up to 10 ml. So I will add water up to this mark. Now we will shake these test tubes, okay? And after 1 minute, we will measure the foam in centimeter. So now we will calculate the height of the test tubes. So before that, I have prepared the observation table for foaming index. These are the test tubes containing stock solution 1 to 5. Now over here we will note down the height of the foam in centimeter. Then we will calculate our foaming index. So for the first test tube, height of the foam is 0.9. For second test tube, height of the foam is 1.7. third, it is 2. For fourth test tube, it is also 2 centimeter. And for fifth, it is 2.7 centimeter. So now here you can see 1 ml of test tube contain 0.9 centimeter, 2 ml of contain 1.7. Formula for foaming index is 1000 upon A, where A is known as volume of decoction having exact 1 centimeter height. Over here we can consider that 2 ml of stock solution is having 1.7 centimeter of height. So here in case of foaming index calculation, 1000 upon 2 we can take. So we will calculate the foaming index now. 1000 upon 2, so that our foaming index is 500. So here is the observation table for foaming index. So the number of test tubes containing the stock solution 1 to 5 ml and the height of foam obtained in centimeter. Now we will calculate the foaming index. So the foaming index is equal to 1000 upon A, where A is a volume of decoction having exact 1 centimeter of height. So here you can see 1 centimeter of height was obtained in case of 2 ml of stock solution. Okay, 1.7 centimeter. So we will take this 2 ml as an A, value of A. Okay, so volume of decoction having exact 1 centimeter of height. So 2 ml of stock solution was given 1.7 centimeter of height. So 1000 divided by 2, the foaming index obtained is 500. Now we will perform the second evaluation parameter, that is solid content. So in case of solid content, a clean and dry evaporating dish was weighed and added 4 gram of shampoo to the evaporating dish. Then the dish was allowed to evaporate and the shampoo on the hot plate. Then the weight of evaporating dish after evaporation of shampoo was noted and calculated. Note down the weight of empty petri plate, that is 76.14. Okay, to this petri plate we will add 4 grams of shampoo. Now we will add 4 grams of shampoo. So now we have already added 4 grams of shampoo in an empty petri plate. Okay, so we have noted the weight of empty petri plate. Now we will keep this petri plate or evaporating dish for evaporation, and after that we will note down the weight of that evaporating dish, and we will note down the weight of sample by subtracting both of them. Okay, after evaporation, now we will note down the weight of this evaporating dish. So the weight obtained is 76.47 gram. So we have noted the weight of the petri plate after evaporation. Okay, so weight of the sample B minus A, so it was obtained 0.33 gram. So here are the calculations of percent solid content. The weight of empty evaporating dish was noted, mentioned as A. Then the weight of evaporating dish after evaporation was noted, mentioned as B. Then the weight of sample was calculated. So the total solid content obtained was 0.33 gram. So therefore the percent solid content was calculated. Okay, and the value obtained was 8.25% of solid content present in shampoo. Dispersion test. So in this, the 2 drops of shampoo was added to 10 ml of water containing test tube, and 1 drop of ink was added in test tube. Then it was shaken for 10 times in a test tube. Then the amount of ink in the foam was estimated as none, light, moderate, or heavy, indicates the dispersion nature of the shampoo. So now we will perform dirt dispersion test, that is for evaluation of shampoo. So for that we require a test tube, okay, which is having a mark up to 10 ml. So we will take 10 ml of distilled water in test tube. To this we will add 2 drops of shampoo. Now to this I have added 2 drops of shampoo in 10 ml of water. To this we will add ink, 1 drop of ink. Now we will shake this for 10 times. And wait for 5 minutes. So here you can see the color of the foam. Okay, it is light in color. So here are the results that the herbal shampoo was prepared and evaluated. So the color obtained was brownish, odor was pleasant, appearance of the shampoo was turbid, then the texture was gritty, foaming index obtained was 500, then the dirt dispersion test was performed, the foam observed was light in color, then the percent solid content obtained was 8.25%.